In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find tenants fast on Facebook Marketplace. This process is a great way to reach a wide audience and get your property seen by potential tenants quickly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Facebook. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to either log into your existing account or sign up for a new one. Once you're logged in, navigate to Marketplace. You'll find it conveniently located in the menu, and it's the hub of Facebook's buying and selling activities. Next, you'll want to create a new listing. Click on Create New Listing to get started. This will open up a new page where you can begin to input details about your rental property. Make sure to select the option for property rentals if it prompts you to do so. A key step is to upload high-quality photos of each room and any standout amenities your property offers. Photos are the first thing potential tenants will see, so make sure they're clean, well lit, and accurately represent the space. After uploading your photos, proceed to enter the rental type. Is it a single-family home, an apartment, or a condo? Make sure you're clear on this to help set the right expectations. Then, fill in the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. This information is critical as it helps narrow down potential renters based on their needs. Now, let's talk about the price. Enter the monthly rent for your property. Research comparable rentals in your area to ensure your pricing is competitive. After setting the price, make sure you set your location accurately. This helps local tenants find your listing easier. Next, write a compelling, clear description of your property. Include key details like location, features, and lease terms. This is your chance to sell your property, so make it informative yet engaging. Then, fill in the remaining property details such as the square footage, date available, laundry type, parking type, and any climate controls like air conditioning or heating. Don't forget to note if your property is pet friendly, as this can be a deal breaker for some potential tenants. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, you might consider promoting your listing after it's published. This could help it reach more people faster, though it does come at an additional cost. Finally, once you're confident everything is accurate and appealing, click on Next and then Publish. Once your listing is live, it's important to keep an eye on any messages you receive. Be prompt in your responses to inquiries, as quick communication can make a big difference in securing a tenant. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully listed your rental property on Facebook Marketplace. Following these guidelines will aid in attracting the right tenants quickly and efficiently. Good luck.